Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of downloading and adding a Chrome theme to personalize your browsing experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Chrome browser by clicking on its icon. Step 2. Once Chrome is open, look for the More menu at the top right corner. It is represented by 3 dots. Give it a click to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled Settings. Click on it to access the Chrome settings page. Step 4. Inside the settings page, you'll see a category called Appearance. Click on it to proceed. Step 5. Within the Appearance section, you'll find an option called Themes on the right side. Click on it to open the Chrome Web Store themes. Step 6. Explore the different themes available by clicking on the thumbnails. This will allow you to preview how each theme looks on your browser. Step 7. Once you've found a theme you'd like to use, click on the Add to Chrome button associated with that theme. Voila! The theme will be applied to your Chrome browser immediately, giving it a fresh new look. If you ever change your mind and want to revert to the previous theme, simply click on the Undo button located at the top. Personalizing your Chrome browser with themes is a fantastic way to add a touch of your own style and make your browsing experience more enjoyable. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in guiding you through the process of downloading and adding a Chrome theme. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Chrome-related tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.